Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about advanced English sentences. She is pregnant. She is expecting a baby. I can't come tonight. I can't make it tonight. You are teasing me. You are winding me up. Why are you in a bad mood? Why are you cranky? Hurry up. Shake a leg. I'm doing fine. Couldn't be better. I will arrive soon. Almost there. Why are you so angry? Why are you so pissed off? Hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.